I'm on a washboard dirt road today. We're gonna talk about if Fox shocks are worth it. Stay tuned. Alright, so when I'm out in the mountains, I usually end up on these service roads or bypass roads, and a lot of times they turn into washboard. Now washboard is when it's just kind of jittery and jumpy, and the back end of the truck, normally it would jump out. With these Fox shocks, I stay planted to the ground. Now if there's washboard in a turn, my front end would actually start going through the turn and just pushing through, where now it just eats it up and I have full traction the whole way. So I think Fox shocks are worth it, because when you're driving a little bit faster on some of these washboard dirt roads, even hitting some of the big potholes on this road or even on city streets, these Fox shocks just eat it up. And yeah, the ride is like 10 times smoother. Things in the truck aren't rattling around. And it just overall is a nicer feel. So I'm up here in Idaho Springs, giving you a little review on what I think of these Fox shocks. I've had them for about 2 months now. They're pretty well broken in, driven over mountains, through rivers. I've seen some pretty spectacular things, and on and off-road, Fox shocks are well worth it. I mean, just cornering even just feels nicer. The truck's planted where there used to be like a lot of body roll. I'm not getting any kind of body roll anymore. So I mainly got these because when I'm out hunting, looking for animals, stuff like that, the roads can usually be pretty rocky and steep, and oh yeah, I don't want to drive a mile an hour. One nice thing about the front coilovers, I have a lot more room up in the front. This gave me a lot more room on the side here, so I don't hit the side as much. shocks are worth it? I do. The coilovers only gave me 2 inches in the front, but that is definitely enough for any of the stuff I'm doing. The shocks in the back definitely keep my back end planted when I'm driving a little bit faster over some of the rough stuff or washboard. And yeah, just the clearance that I gain and the ride quality, I think they're definitely worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.